Scroll through Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts right now and you'll run into the same thing everywhere. Handmade art videos pulling in millions of views. Paper crafts, tiny miniature builds, satisfying step-by-step DIY. People can't scroll past it because every second feels calming and oddly addictive to watch. What most people don't realize is that a big chunk of these viral clips are being built with AI now, cutting the production time down to a fraction of what it used to take. If you want in on this, I'm walking you through the entire free workflow today, start to finish. Let's get into it. Before we start, I've already built a master template prompt to save you the setup work. You'll find the Google Docs link in the description. It's built specifically to generate strong prompts for this exact style of paper crafting video, so you're never starting from a blank page. At the bottom of that doc, there's also a universal version. Swap out the object, animal, or subject you want to build, and the rest of the prompt adjusts itself automatically while keeping the same visual style. Start by opening ChatGPT. Head to the Google Doc and copy the full master template prompt. It's long, so take your time and make sure nothing gets cut off. Paste the whole thing into ChatGPT and hit generate. Within moments it'll hand you 10 original paper crafting video concepts. Scroll through and pick whichever one grabs you. I'm going with idea number 2 for this walkthrough. Copy that idea back into ChatGPT and generate again. And this time it produces 2 things, a detailed storyboard image prompt that maps out the entire crafting sequence visually, and a full step-by-step video generation prompt built directly off that storyboard. Once both are sitting in front of you, you're ready for the next stage. Now open Google Gemini. Jump back to ChatGPT, copy the storyboard image prompt, and drop it into Gemini's prompt box. Then generate. Gemini renders a clean, highly detailed storyboard with strong consistency across every stage, the full crafting process laid out frame by frame in one single image, each step flowing naturally into the next. It ends up being the perfect visual reference for the video you're about to build. Download that image once it's ready, since we're using it in the next stage. Next, open Flow AI and create a new project. Upload the storyboard image you just downloaded. Once it's in, enable the Flow AI agent. Click the 3 dots on the uploaded image, and select Add to Prompt. This attaches the storyboard as a visual reference so Flow understands exactly how each scene should look and transition. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video generation prompt, and paste it into Flow AI's prompt box. Then generate. I'll open up the agent panel so you can watch what's actually happening behind the scenes. After it processes the prompt, Flow's agent will ask for your approval before rendering starts. Approve it, and the project shows up on your dashboard marked as generating. It only takes a few moments, and that's it. Your paper crafting video is done and ready to watch. From here, the entire process repeats identically. Go back to ChatGPT, pull your next idea from the list, paste it in, and generate. You'll get a fresh storyboard prompt and video prompt again. Copy the storyboard prompt into Gemini to build your next storyboard image. Download it once it's ready, then head into Flow AI, upload the image, and attach it as a reference. Pull the video generation prompt from ChatGPT, drop it into Flow, and generate. Within a few minutes, your next video is ready to go. Repeat this loop and you can churn out an endless supply of unique paper crafting videos. Same workflow every time, same consistent high-quality style, just swap in a new idea each round. Here are a few examples I pulled straight from this exact workflow. And that's the entire process, start to finish. If this helped you understand the workflow, drop a like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who'd get value out of it. Thanks for watching. and I'll see you in the next one.